the USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. Before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. It say join free Telegram channel. Go and join Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers at the platform right here. So sign up with these brokers if and when you are going to trade with my signals and with my signals only in that account. So maintain accuracy. Subscribe, like, join the brokers, so Telegram, blah, blah, blah. So two of that, that's your job. Now, coming back to the chart, starting at top approach with weekly time frame weekly, we are going up. Okay, so this red candle will be eaten by this blue candle on Friday, I hope. Okay, and that will be the confirmation of the start of the uptrend in weekly, but weekly is too far. We don't really care. So let's get back to daily. In daily, we think, I think I'm gonna break. We're gonna break this previous high maybe tomorrow on Friday. Okay. So yeah, once this high is broken, that means we are starting a new uptrend. I already have confirmed that now we have started the uptrend already because this previous red candle was eaten by this blue candle in daily. So we are in the uptrend anyway. Okay. Now remember one thing in USDCAD, because once dollar officially is in the uptrend, then Canadian don't have much life. Life as in Canadian is a very a weak currency in comparison to dollar. So if and when I confirm that dollar is officially in the uptrend, at that time, USDCAD will not give you much opportunity because it will just keep going up, 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 and you will not have many pullbacks because USD is too strong against Canadian. Okay, so once officially dollar comes into uptrend, you will rarely have an opportunity for a pullback to take a sniper entry. Okay, so be smart, and when you enter USDCAD, if you have the balance in your account, in your broker account, you can actually leave USDCAD on autopilot, on long position for like 2-3 months, and you will make 700-800 pips easily. If you're willing to hold your USDCAD for like 2 months, you can easily make 600-700 pips, by doing nothing. Okay. So coming back to daily, I told you already that we are starting a new uptrend in daily chart. Okay, but what is our entry? Our entry is right in front of you. So we had this uptrend, pullback, rejection. This was your freaking sniper entry. I think I told you, maybe. I don't know. I don't know if I recorded the video USDCAD. Okay, but this was your sniper entry. So you broke above the AMI, then you retested the EMI, then you had this fucking blue candle engulfing. This was your sniper entry, okay? And then you took your profits right here, and now we have the pullback. So pullback will be again maybe 50%, maybe maybe you will catch down the EMI, and then big rejection, long wick, and then blue candle, and that's where you will enter long. That's your entry, and that's too much information for free. So subscribe, like, join Telegram, blah blah blah. Check out the brokers and all that, and do all of this. It's for you. Please subscribe. That's it. Just do it. Take care. Have the day.